Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubak kami ikatanat kampo yeng Bah Prestone tensong hakashi tarik jemang ulaong baka jingjia kawang Petrol bom kibalajia nadu kini kendiat singi baladam kimdan satya kanu ka jingiadei baka jingshah kem jongki dkhot ka Khasi Students Union KSU. Habakran syakila patai khubor Menteri ulaong banakalyang ka sorkar kan pentikna ya ka jingshah jong ka an hakajela bat banam sya yanu bakin shim ya ka an halaki jong kikti. Ya kani Menteri ulapan pau hadirin ka jingshah kawang Petrol bom jong ki arteli ki police station bat ka office jong katanan MGCC hakashi tarik jemang. Ubak tensong ulaong ru ngiladap ban batha ya Director General of Police DGP kumju ya ki SP bat ka kenhun pulit bakin long ki bapan krek bha bat ban penthi kena bakum kini ki kam thombor kin amwan jiashu hadin habun. Watla kata Deputy Chief Minister ulaong ba umpenya sok satya ya kini ki jingjia kawang Petrol bom bat ki jingjia syakem badang shen jong ki dkhot ka KSU halor ki lai tili ki jingjia kam penyam ki belajia ha ichamati bat hamaulai mauro. Ulaong ru bakaan kan nyat la ka jong kalenti.
Yes, we have already instructed the police force, DGP, to be on the ground and then to make sure that these things does not happen in the future. Tell you one thing, I don't say whether KSU or not KSU members. When we arrest any person, you need to understand one thing, we strictly follow from all angles, where, how and why. Then ultimately investigation starts taking place and thereafter again it will go to the court and let the court ultimately decide things. So my point here is very clear. I don't say whether those people whom we already pick up, whom we already arrested, belongs from KSU or from other group of people, but let the law takes its own course. Okay, number two, still I don't believe that the petrol bomb happens because of the arrest of the members of so-called KSU. I am very sure they are also very measured people. I don't think that happens, because right now we will not allow from our side. Let the law prevails, and we will not allow these things to happen, and therefore we will make sure that the law and order is, whatever you see, is safe and does not break down it. And we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place.